Hello my friends! Sour Cat and I are back at it with this double wedding ring quilt block. These blocks look really simple, and they are, but I'm actually really surprised at how much work these cute blocks take. I love how the blocks look once finished, but if it wasn't for my bee-mate, I am not sure I would have made this block. The fussing cutting is really fun though. Well, let's get into it. I've cut my thread and butt my pieces up next to each other like they're holding hands, and using the flat back stitch, I've pushed my needle through just a tiny bit of the back fabric on each side. Pulling the thread tight, but not so tight that the thread breaks, pull until the knot catches. And now I'm going to repeat this step until the end of the piece. I'm going to bring my needle back over and push back through. I try to aim for about 18 to 22 stitches per inch. And let's just get into a roll and get that smooth sewing going on. Even sour is with it. It's kind of like life. There's a lot of pushing and pulling and remaining calm and into it for that great end result. Now just keep going. This might be the hardest part. Just keep stitching until everything is attached. I know it takes a while, but the end results are still precise and pretty. It is well worth it. I usually listen to podcasts or audiobooks while I EPP. I am not much of a TV or movie person when I am EPPing. It's harder for me to pay attention to, especially because I like the subtitles. I like to try to remain focused, even keeping my phone further away, so I'm less likely to put the project down and get distracted by Instagram or YouTube. When flat back stitching, you also want to keep your needle perpendicular to keep your stitches straight. So again, just push your two pieces flat up against each other, side by side. You want to hold both pieces with your thumb and forefinger, and just push your needle through a tiny bit of the back fabric on each side, grabbing just a bit more than a few strands of fabric. The neat thing about the flat back stitch is even if you grab a bit more, the stitches are still hidden from the front. So let's continue to add more pieces in the same manner, always sewing on the back side to keep those stitches hidden and making small, neat stitches. If you've reached a spot where the dog ears are in the way, just push them up and out of the way, and once you're done, push them back into place. And now I'll just repeat those steps and get a bit further along here on this double wedding ring quilt block. The end is in sight, and I'm very excited to move on to the next project. So let's stitch through it. See you at the end. We've reached the end for today. Of course there will be another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time, my love.